Good morning guys, I am back again with another video. This time I have come with my Fiesta for underbody painting, and I have come again to that particular trusted workshop where I have done my underbody coating for my Altros and the previous wreaths which I had. As you know, as the car grows older, underbody painting is very much required. It should not be neglected, especially the places where you have too much moisture and humidity, and due to driving in different driving conditions, your underbody attracts rust. So it's the best practice to provide an underbody coating. So the first job will be to wash this particular car underbody thoroughly. Now let's meet the man who is in charge of this particular service station. What are the services you are providing at this particular?
We are providing, this is our leaflet. We are providing washing, foam washing, silicone polish, interior cleaning, anti-rust cleaning, sanitizer coating. All this we are providing in a minimum rate, not the market rate. That you will go like in washing, if you go for somewhere, it will charge around 1,000 to 1,200 for the foam washing. We are at the price of the 450, premium foam washing at the price of 450.
Okay.
Okay, and anti-rust which sir is doing it with the product of Maruti Suzuki Elastra, we are doing it for rupees 1,200 only.
Okay, so and that's very reasonable.
Yeah, and this is for this silencer coating. 1,000 rupees its rate, and you go with this material and go to any other place, it will cost around 1,500 to 1,700.
Okay.
As we are experienced of this, that's why we are open new, so we are taking it as a minimum rate that the customer visits, and we will give them the service, then they will look at our service.
Okay. In fact,
see that the guy is cleaning the tire very smoothly with the foam, not nothing else.
okay, so the undercarriage washing has started. Now the thorough washing will take place. I prefer this type of undercarriage wash because most of the modern washing centers, they don't leave the car. They are putting it on a circular sprayers, but there you don't get such a good underbody cleaning. So I always prefer this type of wash. So let them wash the underbody, then I will show you how the underbody is. Let us check the underbody if there is any rust or anything like that. So far the underbody is in good condition considering the car is 9 years old. This is the I am checking whether there is any play in the drive shaft, in the steering. A little bit of play is there, very less. Let us check this side. Let us check the tie rod ends and arms. Everything is intact. You can easily check your lower arms, ends, checking the bushes if it is torn or anything like that. Let us check the boots. So everything is okay. Let the underbody dry up. So masking with diesel, so that if any paint spill gets into your car body, that will be taken care of. The paint I will be applying is this PPG Plus Underbody Black. I have trusted this paint quite a number of times, and the results are very satisfactory. অ্যাকচুয়ালি নিচের দিকে একটা আলো দরকার যেটা দিয়ে প্রপারলি দেখা যাবে।
পুরো চোখে মেরেছে।
এই 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 জায়গাটাই
আমি দেখছি দাঁড়াও তুমি মারবে না দাঁড়াও।
finally the undercarriage paint process has been completed. Now they will bring the car down and deliver it. I am checking for the last minute if any area is left off or not. So it's absolutely perfect. Finally the job is over and I have shown you how you should take the steps before you go for a underbody painting. And if you find the video useful and if you think the video has given you some knowledge regarding underbody coating, feel free to contact me in the comment section below and please do subscribe. Thank you for watching.